Okay, today I would like to talk about the regulation of cosmetic product containing the nanomaterials. The definition of nanomaterials, if follow the European Cosmetic Product Regulation, they define the nanomaterials as insoluble or biopersistent and intentionally manufactured material with one or more external dimensions or an internal structure on the scale of 1 nanometer to 100 nanometers. Therefore, to qualify for a nano rating in Europe, the nanomaterial must be insoluble and biopersistent, regardless of the safety of product, whether or not additional criteria are added to their definition. Listings of nanomaterial are overwhelmingly inorganic, with little or no mention of organic nanomaterials apart from carbon nanoparticles. There is ambiguity over the meaning of terms such as biopersistence and solubility used in defining nanoparticles. In the language of organic chemistry, to dissolve molecules actually means to disperse them. Here, molecules are not chemically altered by dissolution. The Europe Scientific Committee on Consumer Safety Guidance for the safety assessment of nanoparticles in sunscreens suggests that solubility means disintegration of a nanomaterial in an aqueous medium or biological environment into molecular components with the loss of nanofeatures. There is an argument that whether a material is molecular or supramolecular, organic or inorganic, biopersistent or not biopersistent, is irrelevant as to whether or not it is a nanoparticle. The word nanometer refers only to the size. If any other criteria are involved, then it should be made very clear in the product specification and labeling. For example, biopersistent nanoparticles. Next, I would like to talk about the nanomaterials used in the cosmetics. The application of nanotechnology and nanomaterials can be found in many cosmetic products, including moisturizers, hair care products, makeup, and sunscreen. There are two main uses for nanotechnology in cosmetics. First is the use of nanoparticles as UV filters, titanium dioxide, and zinc oxide. Second is for delivery. For the delivery, liposomes and niosomes are used in the cosmetic industry as delivery vehicles. Newer structures such as solid lipid nanoparticles and nanostructured lipid carriers have been found to be better performers than liposomes. In particular, nanostructured lipid carriers have been identified as a potential next-generation cosmetic delivery agent that can provide enhanced skin hydration, bioavailability, stability of the agent, and controlled occlusion. Nanocrystal and nanoemulsion are also being investigated for cosmetic application. This is the graph that shows the principal nanomaterials used in various cosmetics. Now, I would like to talk about the regulation of the use of nanomaterials in cosmetic, which is the main objective for this topic. According to the Art 16 of the Cosmetic Regulation, in addition to the notification under Article 13, cosmetic products that contain nanomaterials shall be notified to the Commission by the responsible person by electronic means 6 months prior to being placed on the market. For every cosmetic product that contains nanomaterials, a high level of protection of human health shall be ensured. They must follow the Europe's Cosmetic Regulation 1223/2009 EC Art 16. Cosmetic manufacturers must demonstrate the safety of any ingredient used in the cosmetics. SCCS guidelines for safety assessment of nanomaterials. Cosmetic industry guidelines for nanomaterials. Besides, environmental safety is also one of the requirements under REACH regulation. From 2013, nano ingredients will be labeled with the word nano in the ingredient list for consumer confirmation. That's all from me. Thank you.